Clitoris.
Hi, Jerry.
Hi, what are we listening to?
We're
Taylor Swift.
crying.
Tay.
Oh my god, what is this thing? Oh my god, I'm gonna be so good at this. Are you guys ready?
That's a penis, dude. What is?
Hey, shut you keep that to yourself.
What the fuck? I'm trying really hard, Kat. I really am. Wait! Come on! Liam! It's so
I don't know what that is. What is that? It's like some sort of animal. It's a rat? A spider?
Liam, Liam, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Liam, please.
Wait, that's so
My
cute!
life depends on this. You're kidding? You didn't even try to guess.
What?
What the fuck?
Oh, he's giving us. What?
What the fuck?
Is
Is
this
he
the email?
doxing someone? What the fuck?
What is this? Oh,
Like a cone? Like a... Oh, a cactus.
you.
A carrot.
You.
Liam.
I'm gonna make her a woman.
What is that? A nurse.
You. Oh, so you just said that because I made her a woman, so now you automatically think that
Oh,
she's a nurse and
doctor.
I'm fucking
Oh, yeah, so
like
true.
Crazy.
Very true. That's exactly what happened. I'll have you know that I thought she was a nurse because of Nurse Joy,
Shut the
because
fuck up.
Nurse
I
Joy
got
also
69
has.
points for that. I know you're just sexist, Liam. It's okay.
It's true, I am.
I accept you for who you are.
Thanks. That's literally like...
It's rude.
Stop it.
Oh, got it off of shit. I got it off of dog shit.
Hey, listen, I'm just asking her.
I was like, shit, poo, dog shit, and I was like, oh, dog.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how fearless am I? Okay.
Every time I touch that track.
Oh, everybody wants some presto. These tricks that all the time will blow your mind. Pick a verse, any verse, I'll hypnotize you with every
For the
line.
longest time, I thought that they were saying crystal magic. I thought they were saying crystal magic, and then for the longest time, I thought they were saying pesto.
Are you okay, Kat?
I feel myself getting sick.
No.
That's the worst fucking feeling.
All because of you guys. It's because before Jerry was like,
I'm teasing. Sorry.
bless you, child.
Thank you. I'm very sick. Oh,
Very
but
sick.
I actually am sick though.
I am also sick. I just used 3 tissues.
shit.
That's so sick. Can you tell me what presto magic is?
Presto magic means to me...
So, go ahead.
Presto magic means to me what this song is. You ready?
That's not cool.
Yeah.
That's scary.
I like how balls and round they are.
It's like my bowl. Arigato gozaimasu.
Stop saying that.
Why? I'm bisexual.
It's weird because you...
I've been saying that, and then also fucking has been saying arigato to me, like, why do you say that? And then I was like, you're probably saying this shit as somebody that used to get really fucking weird.
Well, as a white man, I think Do you want to hear something sad?
No, explain to me what presto magic is.
What is he? Liam? You okay there, bud?
I think he's being mimicked right now.
Don't fucking say that shit.
The real him, it's just...
Always an angel, never a god.
Did you hear my song?
The bass in between us make the speakers go to war. Is that the song?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, but that was
No,
what
it
I
was
heard.
This song. It was this song.
I actually didn't hear that.
You didn't hear Always an Angel, Never a God? Only sing
I
the
heard,
entire
I
song?
don't care for you still if I will. White Ferrari.
You say was smiling, not
With the mention, you're tired of moving your body. Let the
don't know that song?
ultraviolet cover me up. We're looking for.
You guys picked up the walkie-talkies, yeah?
Oh fuck no. I ended up with a pair of cracked lips.
art machines
Okay.
and fear of God.
Stop fucking copying me, you're so annoying. Get your own fucking songs to sing. Like, I wrote all of that myself. Call me Hebe Bridges. Tired of moving. Ooh. Ooh. You ever like use a tissue and then it turns into a little sack? And you're waiting for it to burst like a boba ball. I hope the Mimic samples that. Please do. That's disgusting. I'm sorry.
Cat?
Cat.
Yeah?
Okay.
You know it's a real cat.
Don't even fucking say that about me. I can hear you fucking two fake bitches talking shit about me. Fucking whores. Just because I have a more moisturized nose than you. I almost said malnourished.
Jerry doesn't know about the little girl.
What little girl? Oh no, no. Guys, I don't want to do this.
I hope you like
hot.
her.
What the fuck?
There's nothing. It's nothing.
She's really
We're lying.
nice. You'll like her. Her name's Sonia.
Actually,
Yeah.
Like OMG is Firefox.
What?
Don't worry. I used to run a fan page for someone named Sonia.
Liam, this edit is awful. Fucking awful. She looks like one of the last survivors of a zombie apocalypse. I want to see Sonia. Oh my god, we might not ever see Sonia ever again. Because we're so fucking broke.
I hate this. I hate this so much.
It's like the Mist.
Yeah, it's
By,
like Twilight.
No, it's the Mist by M. Night Shyamalan.
Those are two completely different trains of thought.
Guys, you ready?
Oh my fucking.
Do you guys like that?
What was it?
Behind you! I'm sorry.
I actually sent him into a fucking trauma response, dude.
Any enemy will mimic.
Any enemy?
Oh god, I'm
That's
so fucking scared.
gas.